In primetime news this evening, suspect in Westmoreland child molestation case now in police custody. Dramatic St. Elizabeth robbery spree ends with death and surprise arrest. And later, new Price Smart store creating traffic and economical turbulence.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, how have you adjusted your energy consumption habits in light of the threat of higher fuel prices? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.